Hello, my name's Lucas Haddock and I'm here with Matt, Machine Control Technical Support, who's just taught me on the NOCN how to use Leica 3D machine control. I've just started my journey on machine control at 17, so why don't you? But anyway, we're going to talk to Matt about the different things young people like me want to talk about and see when it comes to the Leica 3D machine control.
Yeah, absolutely. So primarily our course is to bring people from having never used it, like yourself this morning, and give you a better understanding of how to use the panel, how to get your models on there, how to set your offsets, and ultimately how to actually use your machine control. So when you're out in the field and you're on your machine, once you get your 360 ticket, you'll be able to get out there and get digging with machine control.
I definitely agree, and I'm definitely looking forward to it as well. I mean, there's so many different things you can do on this one control panel that I never knew about, including offsets, building your own models.
Yeah.
You can make anything on this and just put it into the system.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then build your own model. It's incredible, to be honest, the amount of different things that you could do just with this one tablet here, the Connex system, or a USB drive. It amazes me. I think this is definitely something you should get onto as soon as you can. As soon as you start the industry, have a look at Leica 3D machine control, because you can dig it once and you can dig it well without having to go and maybe dig too deep and refill, or dig too shallow and go and dig again, because it shows you all of your angles, all of your depths, and everything you really need to dig once and dig well. So I definitely think this is a brilliant thing for you to start with after you've got your initial training and understood the machine, and then as soon as you've had that experience on your machine, get with Leica 3D machine control, because it opens up a whole lot of efficiency and ease in working by showing you where you've got to dig to, what angles, what depths, and all round just a helping hand. It's like having a person in your ear telling you, oh, don't forget to dig to this spot when it beeps at you, or you've dug too shallow, you need to go and do it again. So I definitely think it's a really good innovation for our industry and for young people who like the technology side of things, because after all, we use technology every day and all the time.